Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you this week with some more wonderful information. Well, the past few months or so, we've been looking on things that are going wrong with appliances, how to fix them, all that stuff. I want to get into a little different subject today called Who Do You Trust When You Want Advice on What and How to Buy Appliances, okay? Well, let me start off with saying don't trust your technicians, okay? Because they all have their biases. Me personally, I have my favorite brand. I know 6 other technicians that have 4 of the different brands that we like between us. And we all talk smack about the ones they like. The technician is going to tell you what they like about a certain type of appliance and what they don't like about a different sort of appliance. That may or may not feed into what your needs are, okay? Don't necessarily act as salespeople either. When you go to sales for, they're going to sell you what makes them the most money. And that's nothing wrong with that. That's their job. Okay, because the manufacturers give bonuses for selling this or that or whatever, okay? Don't worry about that. If you want to truly get an appliance you like, what you need to do is go out, find out what you need in an appliance, okay? What I mean by that is, we've got, let's go over here and let's do a little walk around here, folks, okay? We've got washers that have a few cycles, we've got washers that have multiple cycles, we've got washers that have 1,000,000 cycles. Do you need all of that? I do not. I have jeans, I have t-shirts, everything I have is wash and dry. I have nothing to hang up, nothing else. I don't need a high-end appliance. You may work in an office, you may have really nice clothes, you may need a much more efficient and or much more selectable, programmable washer to meet your needs. Fridge is the same way. You give me an 18 cubic foot top mount fridge, I'm a happy camper. I have no kids, my dog can't open the door, so don't need a whole lot of stuff on my fridge. You need to do your homework. You need to do your due diligence. Look at your fridge, find out what you like about it, find out what you don't like about it. Same thing with your washer. Find out what you like, find out what you don't. And then go look through the interweb, okay? Look at what's out there. Google LG appliances, Google Kenmore appliances, Google Whirlpool. See what they've got to go look at, okay? And then narrow it down to 3 or 4 choices. At that point, once you've got 3 or 4 ideas of what you're looking for, then go into a showroom, look around, find those choices, and then compare them against each other. Like I said, back here we've got really high-end Thermador, we've got LG Signature, high-end KitchenAid. Do you need all that? I would love to have that, but I don't need that. You might need that. That's something to think into. But do your homework. Don't just walk in like it's the best way to explain this. When you walk into a grocery store hungry, you're going to buy a bunch of stuff you do not need and or want. Same thing with your appliances. If you walk in not having a clue what you're doing, you're going to walk out with something you probably don't need and probably going to overpay for. Okay? Which, hey, if you want to keep up with the Joneses, be my guest. But do your due diligence. Take your time. Do your research, then go look at an appliance, okay? This will save you money, and the time you waste on your computer is a whole lot better than going from this store to 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 this store, because basically they all have the same stuff. Very few places have something that no one else does. So when you look, do your research on the computer, check it all out, then go compare them physically where I can go, oh, I can touch now. Okay, because you can't touch on the internet. I can hug here. And they like me. So, do your homework. Don't necessarily ask for your friends' advice, because friends, I guarantee you, they have 3 different opinions on the same subject. At least mine do. Hopefully yours are a little bit smarter and more intelligent than my friends are, but just in case, get their opinion, but don't rely on their opinion. Do your own homework. You will be a much happier purchase. You will like what you get, and you will be very pleased with what you have. So, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let's come back next week for some more good information, and have a wonderful week.